Hello Techies. Today I'm going to introduce you an innovative AI-powered development assistant known as Claude Code. As technology continuously to evolve rapidly, software development is also transforming. Developers are no longer working alone with editors and documentation. Today, AI assistants are becoming coding partners that help programmers write, understand, debug, and optimize software faster than ever before. One of the most advanced tools in this space is Claude Code, which is developed by Anthropic. Claude Code combines the intelligence of large language models with the practical needs of software engineers. It is designed to assist developers directly in coding workflows by understanding programming languages, project structures, developers' intent, and even large code bases. So, what exactly Claude Code is? Claude Code is an AI coding assistant built on the top of Claude AI models. It helps developers perform programming tasks using natural language instructions. Instead of manually searching through documentation, debugging every issue line by line, or writing repetitive code, developers can interact with Claude Code conversationally. For an example, a developer can ask, create a REST API using Python Flask, or explain this SQL query, or find the bug in this JavaScript code, or optimize this C# function. And Cloud Code can generate, explain, or improve the code within seconds. One of the most impressive features of Cloud Code is its ability to understand the context. Traditional coding tools work line by line, but Cloud Code can analyze entire files, functions, and sometimes large project structures to provide meaningful assistance. This allows developers to work more efficiently and focus on problem solving rather than repetitive tasks. Now, let us explore some key capabilities of Cloud Code. The first capability is code generation. Cloud Code can generate codes in multiple programming languages, including Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, Java, C Sharp, SQL, PHP, and many others. Developers can describe what they want in plain English, and the system converts those instructions into working code. For beginners, this acts as a mentor. For experienced developers, it acts like a productivity booster. The second capability is debugging and error analysis. Debugging is one of the most time consuming parts of software development. Cloud Code can analyze error messages, identify possible root causes, and suggest fixes. Instead of spending hours troubleshooting, developers can receive immediate guidance. For an example, if an application crashes because of the null reference exception or database connection issue, Cloud Code can explain the problem and recommend solutions. Third one, code explanation and learning. Many developers work with unfamiliar code bases or legacy applications. Cloud Code can explain what a block of code does in a simple language. This is especially useful for students, junior developers, and teams onboarding new members. It can also teach programming concepts such as OOPS, object oriented programming, APIs, data structures, algorithms, and cloud integration. In this way, Cloud Code acts not only as a development tool but also as a learning assistant. The fourth capability is documentation support. Writing documentation is essential but often neglected. Cloud Code can automatically generate comments, README files, API documentation, user instructions, and technical summaries. This improves collaboration and maintainability in software projects. Fifth one, test generation and quality improvement. Claude Code can generate unit tests, integration tests, and validation logic for applications. Testing is critical for software reliability, and AI assistants help developers build more stable applications faster. Another major strength of Claude Code is its support for productivity and workflow optimization. Software developers often spend significant time searching for syntax examples, reviewing Stack Overflow's discussions, or reading documentation. Cloud Code reduces this friction by providing contextual assistance directly during development. Imagine having an intelligent paid programmer available 24 by 7. This is what exactly Cloud Code provides. Alright, now let us discuss where Cloud Code is commonly used. In software companies, developers use it to accelerate application development. In startups, teams use it to build prototypes quickly and reduce development time. In education, students use it to learn coding concepts interactively. In enterprise environments, engineers use it for automation, cloud scripting, database development, and DevOps tasks. In AI development, researchers use it to build machine learning pipelines and integrate APIs. Cloud Code is also becoming useful in low code and no code environments where developers combine AI with automation tools to build intelligent business applications. One important topic we must discuss is responsible AI usage. While Cloud Code is powerful, it is not perfect. Developers should always review AI generated code carefully. Security, scalability, performance, and correctness must still be validated by humans. AI can assist developers, but human expertise remains essential. For an example, developers must ensure that generated code follows organizational standards, security best practices, and ethical guidelines. Blindly copying AI generated code without understanding it can create risks. This highlights an important point. Cloud Code is not replacing software engineers. Instead, it is augmenting their capabilities. Just as calculators did not replace mathematicians, AI coding assistants will not eliminate programmers. Instead, they will help developers become more productive and innovative. In fact, the role of the developers is evolving. Future engineers will spend less time on repetitive coding and more time on architecture, creativity, user experience, security, and strategic problem solving. Another exciting aspect of Cloud Code is collaboration. Teams can use AI assistants to brainstorm solutions, refactor code, analyze system designs, and accelerate project delivery. This can improve communication between developers, testers, analysts, and stakeholders. As AI technology advances, coding assistants are expected to become deeply integrated into development environments such as IDEs, cloud platforms, and DevOps pipeline. Developers may soon interact with software systems through conversational instructions. This represents a major shift in how software is created. Instead of manually writing every line of code, developers will increasingly guide AI systems and optimize applications intelligently. Looking toward the future, tools like Cloud Code may support entire software lifecycles, from requirements gathering and architecture design to deployment, monitoring, and maintenance. In conclusion, Cloud Code represents a powerful step forward in AI assisted software development. By combining natural language understanding, intelligent code generation, debugging assistance, documentation support, and contextual learning, it is transforming how developers build applications. The future of software engineering is not about humans competing with AI. It is about humans collaborating with AI to create smarter, faster, and more efficient solutions. As developers, students, and technology professionals learning how to work effectively with AI coding assistants like Claude Code will become an essential skill in the modern digital world.